Okay, just imagine this for a second. What if every single time you liked a piece of art online, real money landed in the artist's pocket? Well, that's the whole idea behind 3D Ordi. It's a platform for BSV ordinals, which are basically just digital assets locked right onto the Bitcoin SV blockchain. And, it's really aiming to be a total game changer for digital creators and collectors. So let's dive in and see how they're actually pulling this off. So let's just start with that core question. What if every like wasn't just, a thumbs up emoji? What if it was actual money, sent instantly and directly to the creator? Not some vague promise of exposure, not virtual points, but real, cold, hard cash. It's a really powerful concept, and it's the foundation for everything we're about to get into. All right, so here's a quick look at what we're going to cover. First, we'll see why 3D Ordi is way more than just a place to buy and sell stuff. Then we'll dig into its wild paid engagement model. After that, we'll check out its all-in-one interface, see the awesome content being made, talk about a seriously ambitious future vision, and of course, show you exactly how to jump in yourself. Okay, first things first. It's so important to get this. 3D Ordi is not just another digital storefront. It's been designed from the ground up to be a complete ecosystem. So you can forget about juggling a separate wallet app, a marketplace website, and a block explorer just to manage your stuff. With 3D Ordi, everything is in one place. You can see your collection, buy new art, and track your earnings without ever leaving the platform. And this is where things get really interesting. We're talking about the platform's most disruptive feature, a real on-chain social economy. I mean, it's built on this radical idea that creators should earn money not just from a big sale here and there, but from the constant, genuine engagement their work gets every single day. So how real are we talking? Well, here's the number that says it all. 10 cents. For every single like a creator gets on one of their ordinals, they earn 10 cents. Not a fraction of a penny, not some weird platform token, 10 cents, paid instantly on the blockchain. This just completely flips the script on what community support means, turning it from a passive thumbs up into a real, meaningful contribution. And just look at this table. The transparency here is incredible. For a total of just 11 cents, a fan can send a like. 10 of those cents go straight to the creator, and only 1 cent is a service fee. It's the same simple, clear logic for following an artist or sending them a direct message. This is literally a social network powered by micropayments. And it's not like you have to go digging around in some complicated menu to do this. The like and message buttons are right there on every single piece of art, making it just as easy to support a creator with real value as it is to tap like anywhere else. It's totally seamless. And let me be clear, this is not just a cool concept on a slide. The numbers prove it. This is a real living economy. In the last month alone, the platform processed over 2,600 paid likes. That is thousands of real microtransactions flowing directly from fans to creators, one click at a time. It's actually working. So you might be wondering, how does the platform handle all this so smoothly? Well, that brings us to the next huge benefit. You know how one of the biggest headaches in the crypto world is constantly switching between apps? 3D Ordi just gets rid of that problem by creating a single command center for absolutely everything. I mean, let's just compare the two experiences for a second. The old way is this clumsy dance between your wallet, the marketplace website, and maybe a block explorer to see if your transaction went through. The 3D Ordi way? It's all baked into one fluid, seamless interface. No more switching tabs, no more hassle. It's just easy. And here's what that actually looks like. Once you connect your wallet, everything you need is right there in one dashboard. Your payment address, all your ordinals, and your balance in real time, in both BSV and dollars. It's total control, all in one spot. All right, so we've seen the powerful engine running under the hood. Now let's explore the heart and soul of the platform. The art, the creators, and the community that makes it all happen. This is where we get to see how these tools are actually being used to create and trade some incredible stuff. If you're holding an ordinal, managing it is about as straightforward as it gets. You've got these clean, simple buttons right on the asset itself to either send it to someone else or list it for sale on the marketplace. No fuss, just direct action. For collectors, finding new art is half the fun, right? And what's a better way to find amazing stuff than to see what the community is literally putting its money behind? The platform has a leaderboard of the top ordinals ranked by the number of paid likes they've received. It's like the community itself is curating the best content for you. And as we start scrolling through the collections, you can just see the amazing variety of art that's on here. You've got everything from these fun, playful animated characters and cool generative projects to really stunning abstract pieces. It's a seriously vibrant and creative space. And what's fantastic for the artists is that they aren't just another name in a long list. Every creator gets their own personalized gallery page to show off all of their collections. This lets them build a real, unique brand and grow a dedicated following, all inside this one ecosystem. Okay, now buckle up because this is where the vision gets truly ambitious. 3D Ordi isn't just trying to shake up digital ownership. They are actively building a bridge from the digital world on our screens to the physical world we can actually touch. So the platform already supports cool stuff like interactive 3D models and augmented reality, but the long-term goal is on another level. They want to develop tech that can automatically convert 2D art into 3D models with the ultimate goal of letting you, well, materialize your digital assets. Just imagine holding a 3D printed version of your favorite digital piece in your own hands. That's the future they're building. So after seeing all of this cool stuff, you're probably thinking, all right, I'm in. How do I get involved? Well, the great news is they've laid out a super clear path, whether you're a collector looking to buy art or a creator wanting to build a career. For all you collectors out there, it really couldn't be simpler. It's a 4-step process. Just connect your existing BSV wallet, start exploring all the amazing collections to find something you love, buy your ordinals, and then you can immediately start supporting those artists with likes, follows, and messages. And for you creators, listen up, because the path is just as clear and empowering. You connect your wallet and set up your profile. Then you create your first collection, which becomes your personal brand on the platform. After that, you inscribe your individual art pieces. And finally, you list them on the marketplace and start earning from both sales and all that community engagement we've been talking about. You know, when you boil it all down, the entire platform is built around this one powerful idea. It's a space where the rock-solid security of the blockchain meets the fire of creativity. It lets artists finally build a direct, meaningful, and actually financially sustainable connection with their community. It really leaves you with a final thought. Could a model like this, built on real, tangible support, change how we value all digital art forever?